put down my welding lens from my Speedglass. So made quite a few videos this morning for you guys. It's crystal clear skies out today. So that's what it looks like before you zoom in with this thing. There you go. There's Nibiru under a welding hood. Oh, burrs hit cold. Whew. Probably see my breath in this video. There you go. This is no light refraction. This is a heat source, so this is not a light anomaly in my phone. This is nothing like that. Don't lie. Welding hoods don't lie. That's why you don't see more than 2 different arcs when you're welding, so or you wouldn't know what to weld. So there you go. There's a destroyer. All right. Love y'all. Have a good day. That is beautiful. Doesn't get any crisper than that, does it? All right.